Hello crafters, this is TrendyTube. Today we are going to see a super easy DIY handmade gift box. So without any further delay, let's get started with the tutorial. Things you need: chart paper, color paper, scissor, pencil, eraser, ruler, glue, stones, ribbon, box cap. Draw a circle and draw two lines horizontally and vertically with the center of the circle. Draw in another circle. The circle should touch the two lines. For the second circle also draw the center lines. Make curves by touching the two lines. Draw for all the sides. Then scroll the curves with the help of a scissor. Scroll all the sides. You should not curve the center lines. Then fold the curved lines to make it as a box. After folding all the curves, it will look like this. Take a piece of circle and draw with the help of pencil as I shown. Cut it with the help of a scissor. Then scroll it slowly till the end. Then glue the end and stick to it. Stick some leaves and flowers to the box on one side. Then add a ribbon to secure it tightly. Yeah, that's it. Your super easy handmade DIY gift box is ready. Please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to click the bell icon. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Bye bye. Keep crafting.